What's going on, guys? It's your friend Jack, and today we're going to be looking at my Etsy shop because it has been doing pretty well lately, at least compared to January when I was running ads all throughout the month. I want to show you guys what has happened in the past 2 weeks on my Etsy shop, how I've been doing in the past 30 days as well, and as a whole how many orders I've made compared to the previous 30 days. And I want to share with you guys some of my Etsy print-on-demand experience, so stay tuned till the end of the video to see how I did on Etsy this month in this past 30 days and my plans on progressing forward. So the first thing I want to look at is I want to look at my orders and all my stats from January. In January I made $100 in revenue, which was probably about $20 to $25 in profit. However, in total, we had 1,200 visits, and that's from running ads as well. We spent about $80 on ads this month, so definitely did not come out with a profit. If you want to see my whole video on my Etsy ads experience, I have a video about that. I'll link it down in the description and have it on screen. But this month has been going a lot better. When we take a look here, go to this month on the chart, you're going to see that I already have 7 orders this month compared to 4 all of last month running ads, and this month I haven't ran any ads whatsoever. So for the past 7 days I've actually made, or the past 30 days I've actually made 11 orders, $291 in revenue. This is in Canadian currency, and then 1,200 visits, which is pretty good. The conversion rate's still really low because my ad spend was not very successful whatsoever. However, when we go to orders, you're going to see I've had days with many orders in a row, 2 orders, 1 order, 1 order, and I also had another shop, my niche shop, make its first 2 sales in 1 order, so that's very good progress. So here's something I actually want to share with you guys. Even though my ad campaign, it didn't go that well. I ran it for 30 days, I spent $70 and I only made 4 sales. Here's the thing, I believe those ads were to some extent helping boost the organic rank of my listings. I don't have direct proof of that. However, this month has been a lot more evident that I can make sales on Etsy and I can make consistent sales, and I don't even have that many listings, and the ones that are selling were very low effort, just text-based designs. That's really all it takes. So what I'm going to be doing going forward is making more text-based designs and focusing a lot on just really things that are already in demand, not trying to go too far for a niche that has not many people buying in it, but I do want to go low competition. I want to try to find ways, and I have found ways on Etsy that I can go lower competition in high demand niches, which is by offering different products that aren't offered. So offering mugs and sweatshirts on things that are only really available on t-shirts on Etsy is a huge way that you can get in a high demand niche for other little products, because this is not Redbubble, this is Etsy. You do pay a fee to list your items. People do actually make it so their t-shirt listing is a mug and a sweatshirt and a tank top all in one. I'm not sure how to do that, but it is worth the effort, because in that case they're making multiple sales off one listing that are different products. So if you can do that, that's another thing that I think is a huge opportunity, because there's so many people that just sell t-shirts on Etsy, and I only have t-shirts and sweatshirts and mugs. So there's a lot of products that I'm missing out on being on Etsy with just those options. So I'm definitely going to be looking to expand my product selection on Etsy, and also just stick to text-based designs almost, and very simple designs with nice little graphics, nothing too crazy, because those seem to sell on Etsy a lot. And I'm selling my shirts for like $25, so it's about a $5 to $20 or $5 to $15 profit Canadian. So it's really good profit compared to Redbubble or compared to Merch by Amazon. And the sales are coming. They can come. They have came more than Redbubble already, and I have done way less effort to my Etsy shop than I have my Redbubble shops. So I am really looking forward to my Etsy picking up even more, getting more organic rank, and posting more listings to be able to make even more sales. Up to like 2 to 3 daily is my goal right now for the next couple months, and once I get there I want to step it up to like 10 daily, and then just keep going up and up until I can basically make Etsy a huge amount of income, and then also maybe form into my own shop. However, I'm not exactly sure yet, but yeah, that's the plan so far. I still am working on my niche Etsy shop, but that is how this account has been going. And yeah, real quick, I'm going to dive over to my niche shop and show you the 2 orders I made and my conversion rates and my visits, because the conversion rates are actually really high. So here we are in my niche shop. I opened this just about a week ago, not much more than that, and you're going to see 17 visits in the last week, not many, but a 5.9 conversion rate. That's because I made an order here. They actually ordered 2 shirts, so it counts as 2 sales on my shop, which is really good. I'm trying to build my shop to 100,000 sales. People will trust you and buy from you more often if you have a lot of, social proof, credibility that you have made sales, you have a good standing. So I think building a shop up takes a little bit of time at first, but once you get those reviews and those sales, it's going to be even easier to make more sales because people kind of trust you. However, 5.9 conversion rate on my niche shop, which I'm really happy about. I think that's a great conversion rate to start. Funny enough, on my first shop, I made my first sale in the first 2 days of opening my shop. I don't know why this happens, but it seems when I open a shop, I make a sale like almost instantly. It's kind of weird, but my other design in my other shop made 2 sales right off the bat. I only had 2 designs up and I made a sale, which was pretty awesome. That is the power of Etsy though. Etsy is very good. Etsy's organic ranking system is really easy to get into, so I would highly recommend, if you're not on Etsy, to join Etsy. But that's what's happened so far. My print on demand Etsy update. My niche shop's not doing as good, or I haven't been working on my niche shop as much lately. This last few days I have been a bit behind, a bit slow on my print on demand and KDP things, but I'm going to be basically going full throttle the next couple days, the next month, the next couple months, and I will keep you guys updated for sure. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And with all that being said, if you made it to this point of the video, comment down below Etsy, and I will see you guys in the next freaking video. Have a good day, stay blessed. It's been your friend Jack.